If you've come across gains in bulk, you're probably already familiar with the benefits of taking creatine, and you're just wondering what makes this brand different than other creatine brands. And to quickly answer that question, as you can see in bold lettering on the packaging, Gains in Bulk sells Instantized Creatine, which means it's 100% soluble and it dissolves completely and very rapidly in water, unlike the creatine that you'll find from literally any other brand, which will only partially dissolve in water, have a strong taste, and give that chalky texture that's notorious within the fitness community. If you don't believe that it's possible for creatine to completely dissolve in water, then be prepared to be amazed, because I'm going to show you right now. So here is a scoop of the Gains in Bulk creatine. As you can see, it looks just like normal creatine. Here is my blender bottle with normal water in it. I'm about to put the creatine into the water through this funnel. Tap it all in there. You can see that the creatine is in the bottle. Okay, and now I'm going to shake it up, even though you can see it's already dissolving. And there you go. It has been less than 1 minute, and you can see that the creatine is really completely dissolved in the water. If I take it out and I drink it, it amazingly tastes just like normal water. Like, if I didn't know that I just put a scoop of creatine into this, I would think that I didn't mix it yet and that it was still just plain water. And if now you're skeptical about whether or not a fully dissolvable creatine can still effectively increase your muscle energy, growth, and recovery, I've been taking this Instantized Creatine for over a month now, and as a calisthenics athlete, I can objectively say that I have seen noticeable increase in both my strength and fitness performance, and that I'm now able to perform cleaner reps or harder variations of moves that I previously could not. So if you're looking to enhance your fitness performance and enjoy all of the proven benefits of creatine without the stomach cramps and chalky texture, then pick up some Gains in Bulk for yourself today and get ready to take your strength gains to the next level.